Twins.
Sound like you farted on the iron board, you flat back bitch.
Twins.
Man.
Fucking nasty, deceitful, despicable, dumb bitch. You fuck.
You nasty. You nasty. We just gonna go on God's internet and just start just openly farting for the. It's one thing if you're doing like the fart pranks. You lift your legs up and let that thing go. Guaranteed you had yoga pants on, so it wasn't much keeping the fart out. Sound like a swamp bubble. Shit smells asparagus farting. That's got a broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprout sound to it. You know she drink them wheatgrass smoothies. Come on.
This about to be some freaky shit, cause I see a hole in some spaghetti sauce, and you come flat your flatulent ass up here and splat your flat ass.